In this video, we are going to learn how to determine the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us use matrix A to do that. So, for us to obtain this, that is the determinant of the matrix A, we are going to take the first term, which is 3, and then we are going to multiply that by the small matrix that is left when you cover the row and the column of 3. So when you cover the row and the column, the small matrix that is left is 2, 6, and 0, 5. Then we're going to subtract the next entry, that is 2. Again, you multiply that by the small matrix that is left when you cover its row and its column. So we're left with negative 1, 6, 3, 5. Negative 1, 6, 3, 5. We're going to add the last entry in the first row, that is 1. And when you cover the row and the column of that, you're left with negative 1, 2, 3, 0. So let us now simplify this. These parallel brackets mean we obtain the determinant of the small matrix there. So we're going to have 3 into this determinant, that is 2 by 5, which is 10, minus 6 times 0, which is 0. Then here we have 2 into negative 1 by 5, that is negative 5, minus 6 by 3, which is 18, plus 1 into negative 1 by 0, which is 0, minus 6. So it means for the first instance, we have 3 times 10, that is 3 times 10. Then in the second instance, we have minus 2 by this sum inside here. This sum is negative 23. So we have 2 by negative 23. Then here we have plus 1 times negative 6. So if we simplify this, we're going to have, this is 30, minus, this is 2 times 23, which is 46. So minus, that is plus 46. Then here we have 1 times negative 6, which is just minus 6. And we find that to be equal to 70 as our determinant for the matrix A.